What's going on, everybody? This is the Fandy 21 back once again. And this is a 52-inch white and chrome Casablanca Spirit of Saturn. This fan dates back to 1993. It uses the IntelliTouch wall control system, which I'll show you the control here on the wall. It's got 6 fan speeds, different light dimming levels, and a reversible function. And there's some other functions built into the control unit as well, which I can't remember all of them off the top of my head. Take you a little bit up close to it. Very nice fan overall here. There's this tag on the side there. The light kit's all original, including the chrome diffuser on the bottom. It's got the greenish hued glass on it, or actually plexiglass, it ain't real glass. What's interesting about this fan is that it uses white blade arms. Usually you see chrome on these fans. It matches the finish on the rings on the side. Pretty cool fan overall. Well, without further ado, we'll go and give this thing a demonstration. If we hold down the IntelliTouch button for the light will start at its dimmest setting and will gradually brighten up to its full intensity, which you see there. And here's the fan. We'll start off on the low. You just simply hold down the fan button until you reach your desired speed, then release. So this is the fan's lowest speed. A very slow aesthetic low. A lot of cases on it that I've seen that sometimes this low speed here usually stalls out due to the fact that the capacitor on the fan is wearing out, so it's not able to operate the fan at such a low speed. But this one, thankfully, is still in pretty decent shape, and it holds its speed. Even if you were to stop the fan in like a stall out situation, the fan would go back to this speed. Usually they don't. This is the second speed. I apologize for the poor lighting. This is in my kitchen here is the center of my house. And I've got all my nearest windows open, the blinds anyway. And the kitchen light on behind the fan here to help illuminate things a little bit better. But this has always been a poor lighting area in my house. Here's the third speed. Bearings on the fan are in excellent condition as well. You hardly ever hear them. There's the third speed. There's the fourth speed. The fifth speed. Blowing everything off my table. And high speed. Yeah, it's got a bit of a wobbling issue on there. I guess the flywheel's just a little bit warped on this fan. But otherwise, very smooth running fan. Pretty good air mover as well. And here's the fan being powered off. So that's about it for this video. So I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch white and chrome Casablanca Spirit of Saturn from 1993. Thanks for watching once again. I hope you enjoyed. Take care.